Make sure there is no fuel in the tank. Remove the fuel line from the pump. You can do it by pushing the blue ring down. Remove the pump from the inside. The pump is the silver, shiny cylinder. Now you can remove the fuel filter from the inside. The fuel filter is a black cylinder with white arrows on it. The arrows show the direction of the fuel flow. The fuel goes from the tank to the filter, then to the pump, then to the turbine. Please make sure to follow the arrows when assembling the fuel line. Now use adjustable wrenches to remove the filter from the cover. Please be aware of the O-ring on the top. You can see the filter inside. Remove the spring and the fuel line from the filter. For the cleaning, you can use an air gun, kerosene, diesel, and brake spray. Make sure you assemble it the right way. Hence, the spring connects magnetically. Now we are assembling the fuel line back again. When assembling the fuel line, use the wrenches to tighten the bolts. First, put the fuel filter back in place. Notice that there is a black plate on the bottom. The fuel filter has its assigned place inside. Again, make sure to follow the arrows when assembling the fuel line. The pump also has its assigned place inside. Please do not bend the fuel line like in the picture, because it can decrease the fuel flow. Make sure there is no dirt inside. If there is still some, watch our video on how to clean the inside of the machine.